ball here. Angit Basekonen gets the ball here. One touch, but this was a dangerous pass. One touch. This was a dangerous pass. Could have played the ball slightly to his. He cushions the ball. Ta, gone. Proper development. Bafethu. 1, 2. Look up. 3. Bafethu. Bad first touch from Umu. Sambonani. Welcome to Couch Coach. Your coach on the couch. The best coach on the couch. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. But the most important thing, please enjoy the film session. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for pressing the play button. Today on why was he given the man of the match, we are going to be looking at Azwin Apolis. I have to say, it's one of my favorite videos to do. Like I always say, if you want to really see which player is he good enough or how good is he, you must look at the player, not the match. During the game, just focus on the player, not the match. For me, he was supposed to be given the man of the match. Near half time. Now, let's have a look. Very smart player right now. First 2 minutes of the game, Pirates are taking Pirates are taking on the left hand side. He is running with this guy here. But watch what he does. He decides to what? To stop. Knows Guti Polalizo will move just to occupy the space. He doesn't take a shot, he passes the ball. Recognizes Guti. Uvalegile la. Skafosta mfanagiti. Pass someone who's in a better position. So doing a player analysis, guys, I'm not going to show you every touch that they made, right? It has to be something that's impactful. Now, knowing when to shoot and when to shoot, when not to shoot, it's a skill. A lot of players don't have that skill. Ball on the left hand side comes back into the space. There's no one in front of him. Takes a shot. He could have taken another touch Asondele beside Shire, but he decided to shoot. When doing analysis, Yaga Apolis, what I didn't know or see before is Guti. He doesn't take too many touches. This boy, I'll show you most of the clip that I'm going to show you. He doesn't take too many touches. Now let me take it back. Askis, right? Gets the ball here. Angit Basekonen gets the ball here. One touch, but this was a dangerous pass. One touch. This was a dangerous pass. Could have played the ball slightly to Umufukeng's right foot. Amazulu, Ayatitizela. Now watch this. 1, 2. Good recovery there from the defender. 1, 2. Development is very important. Development is very, very, very important. This was not a good pass. Let me take it back. I'll tell you why, Guti, this is not a good pass. There's a player on his left hand side. When you pass the ball, it has to. I need to pass the ball. I need you passing me the ball. The ball has to be this side. Uguti, when I turn, right, I'm protecting the ball. But if you want to pass me on my left foot, there is a dangerous pass. But because this boy is properly developed, right, you look, well, he doesn't trap the ball, he lets it go past him and then he cushions the ball. Ta, gone. Proper development. Bafethu. Proper development. I love skillful players who use less touches on the ball. Good idea, but wrong decision. There's someone making a run behind you. there's someone making a run behind you. Give that man the ball. This boy is making a run there. Yes, but I understand why angazange sakhona ukumnikeza, because the way he's shaped, it's gonna be difficult for him to pass the ball. But as soon as you recognize ukuthi someone is coming, you have to shape yourself correctly. If he goes with the runner, then you can shoot. But because the way beka shape again it was going to be difficult for him to pass the ball. Unless if maybe beka shy style again, then he could have passed the ball. This player here, the angle was going to be tough, right? The pass was going to be very difficult with Alton. Even here, it's not a bad idea, but it's just the wrong decision for me. And the pass, it could have been much better. The next clip, I think Kushawi, what most players iyabashaya, right? To always run to the first pole. Kona kike AmaZulu, counter attack. Here he does everything brilliant. Everything here. Pass it to Mfukeng. Now the problem is him going to the last pole. The problem was him going to the last pole. Umpishane and baningi la. So it's going to be hard for you to get the ball. I'll cheap. La kugcwele la. The best thing that he could have done here, is to move. You see there is space here. There's space. That's the best thing that he could have done. But you have to give credit to AmaZulu there. Ukuthi babuyile babaningi bayenza bagcwala, and then they squashed them up. Remember when the game started, right? He started on the right hand side, but he moved to the left hand side. What Pirates has, they have two brilliant players. They have Uapolis and Mfukeng. The good thing about them is Uguti. They can always move to different positions. Right? That's one of the things I think Ibadlula is different than Isandowns. Let me not say Idlula Isandowns, but that's what good about these two players. Now, what I don't like here, okay, taking a shot, you could see Guti Ufuniko, right? But here, you have to recognize Guti. We are outnumbering them here. There's more Pirates players la. Now it's 2 against 3. So this guy Uhamanalo, this guy uzofuna pressa la. Now pass Mfukeng. Because if you pass Mfukeng, he's got more space. He's got more space to shoot, right? Taking a shot, yeah, it's a good idea, but uba nomuntu one space ukudlula wena. For me, yeah, you could have passed the ball. You could have passed the ball to Mfukeng. No, Mfukeng na uyawazi ukushaya. We've seen it. We've seen it before. We saw it even in this game. For me, pasa omunye umntwana who's in a better shooting position. When you are a player that plays in the midfield, you must always scan, always know your surroundings. And one of the things that he does well is to scan. The players that make things easy for Bona gaming, or Mabopegil Utaman, that was easy. It's because they are always scanning, and this boy does it very well. And 1 touch, 2 touch, Abafetu. Recognizes where Guti space is good. Yeah, he doesn't go there. He scans. He drops to where there is space. Now watch this. 1, 2. What a pass! Jehovah! So imagine had he scored 1 touch, 2 touch, 1 touch, 2 touch. I like players who make things easy for themselves. Is where Uapolis Ashaya corner where I said Guti was supposed to pass Mfukeng, right? Look what Mfukeng does. Yes, Mfukeng, I think he was in a tighter position than Uapolis, but he still gave him the ball. Now, this boy scanned twice. inside. This boy scanned twice. Let me take it back. Mofokeng passed him the ball. The way bengithi police anikeza yena iball, because you have to recognize ukuthi how many players awethu bona bayingaki. Okay, someone who is supporting these two he scanned there, then he's gonna scan again. Yes, phakathi inside. Second half, right? Now I'm gonna say something that a lot of Orlando Pirates fans izobakwatisa. But if police no Mofokeng don't go overseas, they don't go to Europe, one of them must be sold to Sundowns. We can't have our best players not playing Champions League football week in and week out. As a country, we cannot have that. Ngiyazi ngizokwata, but nani niyabona ibhakani alikho serious. Now, second half, 1, 2, 3 touch. This was a beautiful pass, guys. This was actually beautiful. Pirates bola phambili, 1, 2, look up, 3. Bafethu. Bad first touch from Umurem. Okay, analyze the game, analyze our police. 3 touches. When the beautiful thing about players I saw is you have all the tools to use. You have all the tools to use. But what's beautiful is knowing which tools to use. I to lose. Yana's better saying I to lose. Tools. Good players know which tool to use in which moment, when to dribble, when to pass. Knowing when to use your tools is very important. Very, very important. Now watch here. Mofokeng, police, he wanted to come back, but decided not the Toulouse. When you get into the right positions, you need to score. He got into the right position here. Bagania yadliwa lokugin bayaphuma. 1 touch, 2 touch. Labafana laba bafethu should have scored. Mofokeng, 1 touch, 2 touch. Marasiko kumfukeng. Police there, maybe he could have let the ball please a good left foot beside shy, right? But he moved to the left hand side, right. Should have done better, should have scored. Pass someone who is in a better scoring position than you. He does it very well. I spoke about it. Mang analyzer he gave me Paris na Amazon. Nigga move. Unlucky the boy that couldn't connect, guys. But simple. This is simple, guys. Uyambona is hungry for the goal. You just give him the ball. This player will never catch umuntu ozayo ugijimayo. Never land. One last clip bese ngiyavala, guys. This boy, I was impressed. Watch here. 1, 2, looks up. Third pass. Beautiful pass. Sibelebele mfana kithi. Yaqaka. Good pass. But unfortunately for Sibelebele lapha vele bekagijima too much. Umahashi phela naye was running a lot. So the first touch azange alibambe kahle. But I have to say, for me, if bebangathi ngivote for player of the season, Police number 1, just by 1 point. The reason why is when the season started, if you look at the season, Maikala until Asiagu AFCON, Police bekashiya Mofokeng wide. The gap was too big. Then Mofokeng this year, waivala. Consistent, for me, consistent. Just that Mofokeng has really had very good Amamanslawe too. He's been very good. But the problem with society is the last thing you've seen, it's either the best or the worst thing. Like siyayi-hyper too much or siyayipreselela kakhulu. But thank you for watching bafethu. Please like, please share, please subscribe. Ngiyabonga.